Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Rossum AI, a powerful document automation platform that's been making waves in the world of AI-driven data extraction. If you've ever struggled with processing invoices, receipts, or other documents manually, this review is for you. We'll explore how Rossum works, its standout features, and whether it's worth your time and money. Stick around till the end for a detailed demo, and my honest take on the pros and cons. Let's get started. Rossum AI is an innovative document automation platform designed to streamline the way businesses handle unstructured data. At its core, Rossum uses advanced AI to extract and process information from documents like invoices, purchase orders, and delivery notes, with impressive accuracy. The platform promises to eliminate manual data entry, reduce errors, and save countless hours of tedious work. His setup is cloud-based, so there's no need for complicated installations, and it integrates seamlessly with popular ERP and CRM systems. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for teams to collaborate and manage documents efficiently. On the plus side, Rossum boasts high accuracy rates even with complex or poorly formatted documents, and its customer support is highly responsive. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The business tier builds on this by adding custom workflows, multi-instance data viewing, intelligent mailbox integration, and detailed reporting for deeper document automation. For larger enterprises, the enterprise plan includes advanced features like single sign-on, document translation, extended data matching, and custom branding tailored for complex use cases and high security. The top-tier Ultimate plan is designed for global businesses. Pricing for the higher tiers requires a custom quote, as Rossum tailors these plans to specific organizational needs. And that's a wrap on our Rossum AI review. If you're looking for a robust solution to automate your document workflows, Rossum is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to check out the demo on their website to see it in action. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Got questions or experiences with Rossum? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.